Meaning of Father of the Constitution.
Father of the Constitution.
Father of the Constitution.
Father of the Constitution.
Father of the Constitution. The Father of the Constitution is a title given to James Madison, one of the founding fathers of the United States. Madison played a significant role in drafting and ratifying the U.S. Constitution, which established the framework for the federal government and remains the supreme law of the land. As a member of the Constitutional Convention and a key author of the Federalist Papers, Madison helped shape the document's content and structure, earning him the nickname Father of the Constitution. His contributions to American governance continue to be celebrated and studied today.